Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is teacher Alice and welcome to English for Fun. And today we're going to learn a new letter. Let's start. Can you make the letter sound? I can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out. And today we're going to learn the letter N. This is the capital N. This is the lowercase n. Now you know how N look like. Let's make the letter sound. N, n, n. N, n, n. N, n, n. N, n, n. N for neck. N for nose. N for number 9. N for nugget. N for nurse. N for notebook. N for nail. Excellent! Let's review the vocabulary. A neck. A neck. A neck. A nose. A nose. A nose. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. A nugget. A nugget. A nugget. Yummy. A notebook. A notebook. A notebook. A nurse. A nurse. A nurse. A nail. A nail. A nail. Excellent, good job. Now let's play a game. Watch and guess. What is this? This is a neck. What is this? This is a nugget. What is this? This is a nail. What is this? This is a nose. What is this? This is a number 9. What is this? This is a notebook. What is this? This is a nurse. Excellent, good job. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and see you next time. Bye bye for now.